Today, I'm here in one of the most famous malls in my city with my husband, and I'm enjoying my time. And this mall is truly amazing and stunning. So, I'm here early today, so the show has not started yet, and I'm waiting for it. Waiting for too long, I was quite bored, so I said to my husband, why not to explore the mall? Let's walk through it and let's see what is inside. And when we went to the inside, and literally it was stunning and amazing. The entire mall was a quite big one and amazing. We had a lot of fun there and we explored amazing things there. We were feeling bored again, and then we decided to watch a movie. It was quite exciting to watch a movie. And then my husband went to buy tickets, and this is the ticket looks like. After that, the show was started and it ended up around evening where we decided to just let's have something because I was actually starving a lot. And then my husband loves games actually. So we headed to the gaming zone and we explored some amazing games there in the gaming zone. And the gaming zone was also a cool one in this mall. And finally, the moment came we were waiting for why we came here, and that's for the show. We watched the show, and literally, believe me, it was worth waiting. It was quite fun and amazing experience.